Hello IG Garage family. Is your car showing the P0064 error code and running with poor fuel efficiency? If ignored, this issue can cause increased emissions, rough idling, and potential catalytic converter damage. In this video, we'll cover what P0064 means, the exact sensor location, very important, and how to diagnose and fix it properly. Stay tuned because solving this early can prevent expensive repairs. The P0064 code stands for HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 2, Sensor 3. Scene 2, Explanation. This means the oxygen sensor heater circuit on Bank 2, Sensor 3, is receiving too much voltage. The heater inside the oxygen sensor helps it reach its operating temperature faster, but when the circuit gets excess voltage, it can cause sensor malfunction and incorrect readings. Symptoms of P0064. Check engine light on increased fuel consumption, poor acceleration or rough idling, failed emissions test, overheating of the catalytic converter in some cases. Common causes of P0064, faulty oxygen sensor, HO2S. The heater element inside the sensor may be bad, shorted or damaged wiring. Wires in the heater control circuit may be shorted to power, faulty relay or blown fuse. A stuck relay or incorrect fuse may cause excess voltage. ECU malfunction. The engine control unit may be sending too much power to the heater. Poor ground connection. A faulty ground can cause an unstable electrical circuit. Where is the oxygen sensor located for P0064? Bank 2, Sensor 3 location, which is the post-catalytic converter oxygen sensor. This sensor is located after the second catalytic converter on Bank 2 of the engine. Bank 2 refers to the side opposite cylinder 1. In V6 and V8 engines, Bank 2 is typically on the passenger's side. Oxygen sensor wiring connector. The sensor connects to the wiring harness near the exhaust system. Fuse and relay for heater circuit. These can be found in the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin fuse panel. You should check your vehicle's service manual for the exact fuse and relay location. And here's a tip, always refer to your car's repair manual for the exact sensor placement in your vehicle. Check the oxygen sensor heater resistance. Use a multimeter to measure resistance across the heater terminals. If the resistance is out of range, then you need to replace the sensor. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for burnt, corroded, or damaged wires. You should repair or replace any faulty connections. Alright, so next up we need to check the fuse and relay. First, locate the oxygen sensor heater fuse in the fuse box, and if you find that the relay is faulty or stuck, go ahead and replace it. Now let's move on to testing the voltage supply to the sensor. Use a voltmeter to check if the sensor is receiving proper voltage. If you notice that the voltage is too high, the issue might be with the ECU or the wiring. Finally, after completing all the repairs, reset the P0064 code and take the car for a test drive to confirm that the fix worked. So that's everything you need to know about P0064 HO2S Heater Control Circuit High, Bank 2 Sensor 3. If you're dealing with this issue, check your oxygen sensor, wiring, fuses, and voltage supply first. For more helpful car fixes, check out these videos next. 1. P0191, Fuel Rail Pressure Sensor Circuit Range Performance. 2. P0202, Injector Circuit Malfunction, Cylinder 2. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert fixes from IG Garage. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.